my gosh, look how adorable. This cute little pudding. Wait, you're tasting it already?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Rain! Hi guys!
Stick it down. Stick it
Okay, so today we are gonna be making
boba.
boba drinks. Ethan wants a Godzilla inspired drink. What about you, Rain?
I want pink chubbies.
Okay, so we're doing strawberry boba drink for Rain. Let me see your cup. What cups did we get?
A bear.
Oh, look at that cute teddy bear. What about you, Shiloh?
Two
Teddy bear. So what type of toppings are we gonna be putting in our drinks?
We're going to get mine is honeydew.
And then we have some jelly cubes.
Hey, look at this. You see this teddy bear?
Yes.
That's a superpower.
What's his superpower? It's just sprinkles?
No. His superpower can. This is why his superpower got atomic breath.
Atomic breath.
He's got this. Guys, touch this.
Okay, I already took one out, but it kind of broke off. So we're gonna do our best to try to take them out
I'm gonna eat
all
that.
good.
Don't eat that.
Okay, so here how these are looking like. We have the little jelly cubes. Ethan's helping me take them out and place them on the plate. You're tasting it already? Oh my god. Rain! They're for the drink. You guys are gonna finish them. Okay, let's see if Rain can take out some as well. Take out some little jelly cubes. So yeah, just push it carefully. There you go. This is our first time making these jelly cubes, so I'm not, some of them are coming out. Half. Another one. Okay, one more. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Oh, look at our first one.
Now my turn.
Oh my god. So here are the jelly hearts. Also for the topping. Go ahead and take out so we have teddy bear pudding. Boba usually has pudding. So we have some kitty cats. And what do you have, Rain?
Hey, that boy.
Some bears, some cute little teddy bears. Okay, so go gentle, be careful. Very slowly, take them out.
Oh!
Ooh!
The head. Look at face.
Oh, look at this cute little teddy bear guy. Ooh, we're gonna eat you, teddy bear.
Let's go do that.
It looks Ethan decapitated one over there.
Don't eat
It's okay,
it.
he has 3 more chances.
Wow!
Ooh, look at Rain.
1.
4. Oh my gosh, look how adorable. This cute little pudding. Gotta do it slowly. So we have 2 decapitated cats over here. It looks like we have 1 survivor and we're missing 1 more.
Why you broke the cat?
Let's do a zoom on our cute pudding teddy bears. And let's see the little kitty cats, the little kitty cat puddings.
Godzilla destroyed these cats.
Godzilla destroyed them. Are you sure it was Godzilla?
Yeah, he just destroyed the head.
Okay. Click the subscribe button if you want to have your own boba drink. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Okay. So go ahead, guys, and pick whatever topping you want to add to your boba drinks. We have pudding, jelly cubes, we have syrup. Okay, put some strawberries.
And then I want to get teddy bear too.
Teddy bear, okay.
I want to get my teddy bears. I want to eat the whole one. Yeah. Teddy bears. I want teddy bears.
Yum. Ooh, those are some great choices. It's starting to look really good. Okay, Ethan added 2 teddy bear puddings, some more jelly cubes. It's looking good, guys. So we have our boba packets. Okay, now we're gonna be adding the boba slowly. Yeah! Add some boba. Super good. Okay. Okay, ladies first. We're gonna get started on Rain's drink. Mama said, I want strawberries. So we have our milk and strawberries in there, frozen strawberries. Okay, Mr. Teddy Bear.
You're so happy. Yummy.
And our strawberry sticks. Boba straws. What color do you want, Rain?
I want
Pink. Are you gonna taste your drink?
still piney.
Wow. Yum. Okay, now Ethan's turn. Oh my gosh, the Godzilla flavored boba. Okay, so we have the blueberries for the Godzilla drink, and we're also going to be needing some ice cubes. Yum. Okay, now we need some ice cubes.
And now the other one coming in.
Little dash of milk. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at what Godzilla just gave me. He said that this is his favorite fruit. Does anybody know what this is called?
A dragon fruit.
Oh, it's called a dragon fruit. Okay.
Yummy.
Look, open it. Whoa, that looks so good. So we're gonna be adding, I think, some dragon fruit to the drink for that extra power, right?
And next, we're done.
And for the last flavor, we are gonna be doing
Honeydew.
Honeydew. Okay, here you go.
Honeydew.
So very, very careful and slowly. Yum. Okay, taste test.
Oh.
Yum, yum, yum. Rain wants some honeydew.
Oh. That's it too many.
Okay, final touch. Some blue sprinkles. Okay, that's good.
Yummy.
Get it, get it, get it, get it. Yum, yum. We are forgetting someone, you guys. Where's Shiloh's boba drink at? Oh snap, we have to do his. Shiloh, we're gonna be using this cute ducky. Look how adorable this guy is. Cookies and cream spread. Our Oreo cookies. And then Rain's gonna be helping me spread our cookies and cream. This one. So we're gonna put the little boba balls in Shiloh's drink.
Gonna put all of them?
Yes. And add a little bit of milk.
Oh, that's good.
Mix it up. Here you go, Shiloh.